Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin on Kraken. Margin trading lets you borrow funds to increase your trading position beyond what your account balance would normally allow. This can significantly amplify your potential profits, but it also carries a higher risk of magnified losses. Understanding how to manage these risks is crucial for successful margin trading. We will cover the essential steps to get started and trade responsibly. To begin margin trading on Kraken, your account must first be verified to at least the intermediate level. This ensures you meet the necessary regulatory requirements. Once verified, navigate to the trade section on the Kraken platform. From there, select New Order, and you will find the options to enable and utilize margin. Remember, having adequate collateral in your account is a prerequisite for opening any margin position. When opening a margin position, first select your desired cryptocurrency pair, such as Bitcoin versus US dollar. Then, choose margin as your order type. You will then specify the amount you wish to trade and select your preferred leverage level, which can be up to 5 times your collateral for some assets. Always monitor your open positions diligently to manage potential risks and prevent automatic liquidation. It is crucial to understand the inherent risks of margin trading. While leverage can amplify gains, it can also significantly magnify losses, potentially exceeding your initial investment. If your collateral falls below a certain threshold, Kraken may issue a margin call, requiring you to add more funds. Failure to meet a margin call can lead to automatic liquidation, where your position is closed to prevent further losses. Trade cautiously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.